Obia odike nwe exodus of entertainers, you know. Otua umu Israel suwe no gide we poba from Egypt, you know. You know, you left with the prince, MC Virgin Mouth, Akonu Uche, Laughing Gas, MC T-Boy, Parrot Mouth, Two Can Talk, and these are people that are strong entertainers when they were in this country. You know, they were doing well. Why do you think that every entertainer left or are leaving? Okay, Bataria?
Am I doing well? They know.
Okay.
Doing well in a do. You no.
Yes.
Doing well in a do. Omego we meta. You know
yes.
So doing well with anyway keep building a flat. Tanya moto they bully wine now kuyari. On a togi.
Yes.
Oh, go in to go wine. In a good thing mba. You know Man, if I will anything, the man business, so what do you mean? You know so you take Ishaya, if you are doing well. You know
yes.
So now I can't wear a bakota. Now I'm gonna prince check and say every Saturday I got wedding. I work a kego, a guy I check. I check that. If I no merry-go-round every year.
Yes.
Say I'm going to take na time and go out. I so it's by now easy. Those are Fukana on Guadiana and you know that go?
Yes.
I pick up because half good user.
Yes.
Full of the footsteps or your that. You know that go? So as it stands now, most of them are doing much better than Mbano Nigeria.
Yes.
Yes.
Kedu ndụmọdụ nwe onye chọọ ịhapụ obodo a now gbagote UK?
First of all, obodo niile na-akụchizi border ha kịta.
Okay.
And a na-emechezi ihe niile ọ na-esi ike. Ịghọtago? So ịbata obodo a kịta editaminzi ụzọ isi abata.
Okay.
Ịghọtago? So ọ bụ na isi ụzọ student abata, make sure na iji ezigbo ego n'aka. Maka ọ bụrụ mgbe achara gị ọkụ ịkwụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ echegharịba anya mgbe edebeghị m peace si aka atụ na gị. Ịghọtago? So best thing for you is make sure na iji ezigbo ego n'aka. Ị na-abata at least ị na-arụcharụzi obere ọrụ, ị na-akwụchọpụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ.